Hey, Greene County Middle School, Miss Blackman here. I'm your principal. I look forward to serving in this position for the 6th year in a row. This is going to be a different year, but it's going to be a good year. We're going to work hard together. We're going to stay positive and be flexible because that's what it takes to make it. Our teachers have been here all summer working super hard to get your classes ready, whether you're virtual or you're face-to-face. We're going to make this work. So hang in there and know that you've been missed since March. It's been a long 5 months not to see students' faces. We've missed you and can't wait to start. Take care.
I am Miss Kiera Morse, and I am your assistant principal for the school year. I am super excited to be in this role and super excited to be here for every last one of you all. So I am a graduate of North Carolina State University, ECU, and Elizabeth City State University. And they have decreed me and allowed me to be able to teach 5th grade, 6th grade, and 8th grade, and now to be your assistant principal. Super excited. I am a lover of math. I love my numbers. And I have a daughter, and she is the sunflower of my life. I'm a lover of sunflowers, all things red, elephants, and owls. Strange, but that's me. So by all means, please come see me. Stop by and say hey.
Hi, I'm Shelton Langley. I'm the new assistant principal here at Greene County Middle School. Before going into administration, I was an English teacher. I got my English degree from North Carolina State University. Go Pack. Before moving into administration, I coached basketball and baseball. I got the chance to actually coach the team I played for in high school at Southwest Edgecombe High School. I'm looking forward to moving over here to Greene County. Very excited about the STEM program. I've actually been looking at it from afar for a while and very impressed, and now I'm happy to be a part of it. I also love the small town feel and the family-oriented community here around Snow Hill in the Greene County area, and I'm just excited to be a part of it. Part of my duties will be overseeing 8th grade. I'll also be overseeing our PBIS organization, and I look forward to being a part of the Greene County school system, and more importantly, I look forward to being part of Greene County Middle School. Go Rams!
Hello, Greene County Middle School students. My name is Ms. Hooks, and I'm one of your counselors here at Greene County Middle School. Welcome to the 2020-21 school year. And this year, I'll have the pleasure of serving as a 6th grade school counselor. So I want to send a special shout out to my rising 6th graders. I'm looking forward to getting to know you and working with you as you transition to middle school. One of the things I want you to know about me, I'm a huge basketball fan, in particular college basketball. So I'm always rooting for my Pirates, and also I cheer on the Carolina Tar Heels. So welcome to Greene County Middle School. We're looking forward to a great year. Go Rams!
Hi, my name is Miss Rogers, and I am your 7th and 8th grade school counselor. Some of my favorite things to do is to dance, try new restaurants, and of course, reading. I love to read a good book. I welcome you to Greene County Middle School, and I hope that you have a wonderful school year, and go Rams!
Hello, my name is Kelly Bradshaw, and I am the school social worker here at Greene County Middle School. And you'll find my office the one with all of the pictures on the wall, which I love to call my wall of positivity. Other things about me that you did not know is that I attended the most prominent, the most prestigious, and the absolute best HBCU here on the planet, none other than North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. I also attended graduate school at Virginia Commonwealth University in Richmond, Virginia. Other things about myself is I have 2 children, a 2-year-old pit bull and a 10-year-old chihuahua. Also, I greatly enjoy reading the Bible, going to church, as well as playing The Sims on my PlayStation 4. We are greatly excited to have you all here this year, and until then, be safe, and we'll see you all soon. Take care.
Hi everyone, my name is Mr. White and I teach 8th grade social studies. A little bit about myself. This is my 13th year teaching, my 6th year here at Greene County Middle School. I have a wife and 3 kids. My wife teaches science over at the high school here in Greene County. I have a 3rd grader at West Greene, and I have a kindergartner at Snow Hill Primary. And I also have a 2-year-old little girl. I am very, very excited for the school year. And whether I will have you face-to-face or in the virtual academy, I'm excited that you will be a part of my classroom. And this year will be different, and there will be some challenges, but we will all face those together, and we will get through this together. I look forward to an exciting year.
Hi, I'm Miss Willis. I am brand new to GCMS. I am coming from Pitt County Schools, and I'm so excited to get started with the school year teaching 8th grade ELA. I know it's going to be a different year than we've normally seen, but I'm excited to get started and to experience everything with you guys.
Hi, my name is Mr. Nemrick. I'm going to be teaching 8th grade math this year. And I just recently moved here from Florida. I spent most of my life there, and I'm very happy to be here. I hope that you and your loved ones and those who hold close to you are all doing well in these uncertain times. And for those of you that I'm lucky enough to teach this year, I can't wait to meet you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Hi everyone. Welcome to what's going to be a new, exciting, and very different school year. My name is Mr. Street, and I teach 8th grade social studies. A little bit about me: I am married. I have married a born and bred Walstenburg girl, which what brought me here. I have been teaching for 4 years. This will be my 3rd year at Greene County Middle School. I do have 4 kids. We have 5 grandkids. But what's most important about me is I am a patriot. I love my country. I love our flag, and my faith is in God, which is what leads me every day. So I am excited and looking forward to being with you guys this school year, either in the classroom or virtually. So any questions, please email me and let me know. I'm looking forward to meeting you.
Hi, my name's Kristen Taylor. I teach 8th grade English and English 1 for 8th graders. I've been teaching for 24 years. I've been at E.B. Frank for 17, and now I've been at Greene Middle School for 7 years. I have 2 children. One of them's going to be a freshman at Greene Central High School. One of them just graduated from Greene Central High School and is going to Barton to play baseball. I'm excited about this upcoming year. I know it's different. It's different for all of us, so don't feel like you're out there on your own. I know this is not your normal meet your teacher open house, but I look forward to working with you whether you're in the classroom or you are virtual. We're going to have a great year no matter what. See you soon.
Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Lococo, and I am the 8th grade world history and English teacher. A little bit about me: I am a graduate of Robert Morris University with a bachelor's in social studies and a master's in instructional leadership. I got my principal's license from East Carolina, and last August I received my educational specialist degree from Gardner-Webb University. I've been at GCMS. This is my 3rd year. Prior to that, I was a principal director of a brand new charter school that was in Greenville. And then prior to that, I was an assistant principal for 2 years, and in the classroom for 3 years before that. Before that, I worked in nonprofit and education prior to that. So I've done a little bit of everything. I'm very excited about the opportunity to be back at GCMS for another year. So I look forward to seeing all my 8th graders. A lot of you I had last year. So please feel free to reach out to me if you ever need anything.
Hello, parents and students. I'm Ms. Garris. I look forward to seeing y'all at the beginning of school. It is my 13th year teaching and my 2nd year here at Greene County Middle School. I have one son, Jackson, who's at West Greene this year in 2nd grade, and we're excited to be here. I will be teaching 8th grade math, science, and math 1 this year, so I'm super excited that I got to move up with my students from last year. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me at the school or email me at triciagarris@greene.k12.nc.us. See y'all soon.
Hi parents and students, my name is Leah Biscardi. I am the new 8th grade science teacher at Greene County Middle School. I transferred from Pitt County Schools, where I've been teaching the last 5 years high school science. Originally from Western New York, I went to SUNY Fredonia. I own my own photography business. I like to cook. I'm full-blooded Italian, so cooking's really in my blood. I have a 2-year-old pit bull mix. Her name is Kodo. We call her Bear. As I told you about myself, I hope I learn about each and every one of you. I hope we have a safe and productive school year. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Joanne Cox, and I'll be teaching 8th grade math and science this year. I'm married, and I have 2 girls, and I have 3 dogs at the house, Brutus, Katie, and Magnolia. I look forward to working with your family and look forward to meeting your child. Just let me know if there's anything I can do to help.
Ram family, welcome back. I'm DeMarcus Whitehurst, computer science and coding teacher here at Greene County Middle School. A few things about myself. I graduated from the University of North Carolina at Pembroke, where I received my bachelor's in business administration and management. I later on went to Appalachian State University, where I got my master's in education. A few things I do around the school: I serve as the offensive line coach at Greene Central High School. I also serve as the head wrestling coach at Greene Central High School. Can't wait for you guys to come back and get this year started off.
Hey kids, I'm Joanne McGowan. I'm the band director here at Greene County Middle School. I am so excited to see all of my returning 7th and 8th graders, and I can't wait to meet my new 6th grade kiddos. Things that I like to do outside of Greene County Middle School: I like to travel, I like to go see movies and concerts, and I like to spend time with my family. And I love teaching at GCMS. This is going to be my 10th year, and it's my 21st year of teaching, and I'm just as excited as I was the first day of my first year. I can't wait to see y'all, and just to let you know how much I love y'all, I actually did my hair and makeup today, which has not been a normal occurrence in my life for the last few months. So, I'm looking forward to a great new school year here at GCMS.
Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Clark, and I'm excited to be your new art teacher for this up-and-coming school year. I grew up mostly in the Cary-Raleigh area with my 3 brothers and my parents, but have lived here in Greenville since I went to ECU in 2009. I graduated from ECU in 2013 with my BFA in art education and taught at Chicago for about 6 years before coming here. Some of my hobbies include archery, fitness, metalsmithing, video games, and of course art. This is going to be a crazy school year, but I know we're going to still be able to make some awesome art, and I look forward to teaching all of you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Hey everybody, my name is Emily Kearney, and I am the new STEM lab instructor at Greene County Middle School. I have been teaching in Greene County for 15 years. I've taught 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade. I live in Snow Hill with my husband, Stephen, my daughter, Ava, who is going into the 7th grade, and my son, Easton, who will be going into the 3rd grade. I'm super excited about this school year and can't wait to get to see and meet all of you guys. See you soon.
Alrighty, good morning. My name is Ariel Jeffers. I am from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm a recent college graduate from East Carolina University. Go Pirates. I will be your CTE teacher for the upcoming school year. I will be teaching biotechnology, and I'm looking forward to a great school year with everyone. Go Rams and stay safe.
Good morning, my name is Anna Schwartz. I'm going to be a Read 180 teacher for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I came here 3 years ago from Colombia, South America. My first year I was a teacher of ESL and Spanish in the high school, and after my 2nd year I've been teaching Read 180 here in the middle school. I came along with my daughter Maria. She's in early college right now, and I got married a year ago. We have a baby dog. His name is Scooby. I live in Greenville, and I like cooking. I love cooking, so I expect to have us having like small gatherings cooking. And I speak English, French, and Spanish in case you need help with anything else.
Hello, Singing Rams. I'm so excited to be your new chorus teacher for this year. My name is Miss Chin, and I cannot wait to meet all of you and to start making music together. If you'd like to know a little bit more about me, you can go into your web browser and type in this link, bit.ly/GCMS chorus, and it will pull up a slideshow about me. I can't wait to see you soon.
I am Nikki Dixon. I have been teaching for almost 20 years. I am a native of Greene County. I earned my undergraduate degree from North Carolina Central University. Go Eagles! I also earned a master's degree from East Carolina University. I am married. I have 3 children. Currently, I am teaching Read 180 for 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. I look forward to working with you and your families this year.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Tamika Powell. I am your business education teacher. I graduated from Ashford University in Los Angeles, California. I am a published author of a book called Precious Moments, Treasured Memories. I am married and I am a musician. See you soon.
Hey everyone, my name is Wesley Grant and I teach health and physical education here at Greene County Middle School. I have taught here at the middle school for the past